kayo, huwag kayong papalat sa maganda.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now we are here at Ho Chi Minh Post Office. So this is one of the tourist spot here at Ho Chi Minh. So time check, it's 10:40 AM. So medyo mainit-init po ngayon because it's summertime here at Ho Chi Minh. So we will visit this historical place called the Post Office Saigon. And I will tour you around kung ano ba yung pwede natin makita dito. So hindi lang kasi yung well, nandun pa rin yung pagpapadala ng mail. So gagawa ka ng letter and then you're going to parang bibili ka na lang ng stamp tapos papadala nila dun sa kung saan may papadalang area. And same old school, no? Ganun pa rin naman yung way nila dito. Pero on top of that, may mga source din na makikita sa loob ng post office. So tara, at samahan niyo ako for our day 2 here at Ho Chi Minh. So let's go! So we're inside na ng Saigon Post Office. So when you go here, yun yung mga waiting area dyan. So you can, if pagod yung kasama nyo, tapos gusto nyo mag-ikot dito sa post office, yan, so this is their place. So when you go here, they're selling a lot of pearls and then other stuff. So girl thing, hindi ko na alam kung ano yan, mga rings, bracelet. Tapos when you go here naman, you'll see a lot of their native perfume. If you have budget, try this one because they're selling it in a good price. That's one. Tapos they have here also mga other sets of perfume, no? So that's one. Upon checking yung kanina, para nasa 1.2 million Vietnamese dong. So if you're going to convert it, medyo pricey nga talaga siya, pero mabango naman talaga kasi. So when you go here, you'll notice they're selling a lot of fridge magnet. So I'll show you. So like this one is a fridge magnet. Tapos may mga kitchen then here. Kitchen. Sorry, fridge magnet. So balik na natin. So here, this is their domestic parcels express postal items. So what you're going to do is that you're going to buy a postcard, no? Tapos you're going to buy some stamp, no? Then after that, you'll see a area here wherein you can write a letter to your loved ones. After doing that, no? So mayroon ka nang nabili ka ng stamp, tapos ka na magsulat, you'll go here, no? So idadrop mo na lang dito yung letter mo. So this is the letter, no? This where you're going to put your letters. Sorry. Here's. Ganyan siya gawin dito. Tapos naman, if magpapadala din naman kayo ng mga pinamili nyo dito, tapos nag-inquire kayo, cheap naman talaga dito, then here's your place. So it's parcel and item packaging area. Tapos after makilo nila, ma-estimate nila yung mga costing, and then determine na kung saan yung place na pagdadalhan, they will ask you to pay it first. Then after paying it, you're going to present your parang payment slip. And then after presenting your payment slip, they'll start packing your parcels. No? So magdedepende yan sa kilo and then sa area na pagdadalhan. So if you're going here naman, there's a lot of dream catcher, lanterns, fridge magnet, keychain, and other Vietnam Saigon memorabilia. So that's the good thing about here. Hindi ka na mamumblema sa mga pasalubong. They're selling it in a good price, no? Then when you go here naman sa may unahan, you'll see a hop-on, half-off bus tour. So here is the rate ng half-on, half-off bus tour nila. So they have 24 hours. Parang tapos they also have one day city tour. Tapos dito nyo makukuha yung sightseeing Saigon. So parang ganito siya. Nakakuha na ako kanina. So yan, ganyan siya. So yun lang. Tapos when you go here sa west side, you'll see a lot of selling items here, memorabilia, souvenirs, name it, they have it, no? So this is the place, no? So yun, mga sculptures. They also have here mga albums, notebooks, unique fridge magnet. Like this one.
Oh yeah.
They also have like this one. Tapos, how much is this one? It's 50,000 Vietnamese dong. Roughly nasa 100 pesos yan. So medyo mahal siya, pero magaganda kasi. Yun kasi yung mga, kahit isa lang bilhin mo, ano. Tapos they also have here para mga ganitong fridge magnet. Tapos here, mga keychain, no? Tapos if you want yung mga unique, like fuck na ano nila, keychain, they also have it, no? So yan. Tapos they also have yung mga ganitong cute na mga bato. Wait lang, check natin. Saan to? Sorry, hindi ko mabuksan. I'm holding my camera. It's a candle, no? Parang scented candle. So, nakabili ako niyan sa Sapa. So, when you go here naman sa area na to, they have this one, this cute rattan bags. Hats as well. No? Tapos, mga ganito, mga cup holder. Yan, yan. Tapos, other stuff. So, here. Yan, mga katulad na to. So, souvenirs. Cute souvenirs. So, yan. Tapos, mga t-shirt as well. So, like this one. Mga t-shirt din sila. So, yan. Yan yung t-shirts nila. So, yeah. So, very good place tong Saigon Post Office. Because, parang 3-in-1 na siya. So, nakapunta kayo sa one of the historical place dito sa Saigon. Excuse me. And then, nakapamili kayo ng pasalubong nyo. And then also, pwede nyo ma-experience yung pagsisend ng postcard. So, yun. Tapos may mga parcel din dito if pag gusto nyo matry yun, kung gumagana pa ba yung mga ganon. Since in the Philippines naman, may post office pa naman tayo, pero medyo mabagal nga lang sila. So, yun. Tapos, dito naman sa east side, have here, ganun din, mga souvenir. Pero ang pinakaiba niya is that they have here sets of mga Vietnamese coffee, ground coffee. So, yan. So, may mga coffee bin din, like this one. No? So, yan. Tapos, yun, may mga other stuff din dito, mga souvenirs. No? So, yan. Maganda rin to. Ayan, tapos mga ganito. Instant coffee, no? Tapos mga another coffee as well. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos may mga ganun din dito. Hindi na tayo pumunta doon dahil dami ng tao. Nalates. Tapos, they have also here mga unique, cute stickers, no? So, you can put this one on your laptops, then luggage. Cute stickers. Same pala siya. Ito pala siya. Music box. Ayun pala yung tsura niya. Nakita natin kanina doon sa kabila. They have here music box. Excuse me. Kitchen teddy bears. Mga snow globe.
Con trả hết rồi nhá, con trả hết rồi nhá.
Tapos other
Không phải trả gì đâu.
souvenirs as well. Yun lang. Tapos mga pasalubong din, pwede rin yan. Unique din ng mga fridge magnet. So this one is 60,000 Vietnamese stuff. So yeah, basically, same lang din, halos same lang makikita mo dun sa east side and west side ng Saigon Post Office. So, ang difference lang is that on this side, sa east side, maraming coffee bean, brown coffee, instant coffee na mabibili. Nagawa dito sa Vietnam. Tapos, dito sa east side, marami kayong makikita mga sculptures, memorabilia, no? Souvenirs lang. Dito nyo lang makikita sa Saigon Post Office. So yeah, For now, yan muna guys, and we're going to transfer naman sa ating second destination, which is the Bookstore Street or Book Street. No? So bakit nga ba siya natawag na Bookstore Street, no? Or Books Street? Because basically, there's a lot of bookstore na makikita nyo doon sa Book Street. No? Ngayon, papunta tayo doon. So when you go here, so pagkalabas nyo, pagka-exit nyo, just turn right. No? Right lang tayo. No? So papunta tayo dito. Teka, this one. Ayan, dito sa may Highlands. I hope kung pupunta kayo dito, nandito pa tong Highlands na to. Kasi ito magiging ano nyo, guide nyo. No? So when you go here, so Highlands, ayun na yung Highlands. Actually guys, it's very hot here because it's summer. No? So katulad ito, I'll show you. Katulad this one, no? Very good items. Mga ano to pin, shirt pin. No? Tapos, mga cute and unique stuff ay din dito sa may book street, bookstore street. And then mga fridge magnet like this one. Oh my goodness, pho. Sige. I'm craving for pho. So this one is new, no? Ito dyan. This one is new. This area, itong waiting area, no? Wherein, siyempre, pagka nandito kayo sa bookstore street, pwede magpahinga dito. Kasama nyo. So yun. Tapos, I'll show you around. So basically, ganito lang siya. So may mga sword dito, no? Naka Vietnamese. So nasa 10 to 20,000 Vietnamese dong. So yun ang price niya. Tapos they have here international and domestic mga books, no. So kaya kilalang kilala yung book street na to sa Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. So ayun. Tapos here, timing lang kayo, huwag kayong magpapalata kasi may bantay dito. Parang kuha ka lang ng postcard. Yeah, this one. Kuha lang kayo dito ng ganito. Tara, you're trying to look for something here. Tapos, dito, papwestuhin nyo yung kasama nyo. Tapos, parang stolen shot po yung kukunin niya sa inyo. Very recommended po yun. Ang ganda. Very unique. No? So, pwede na yun. Pang Instagram na yun. So, yan. Tapos, ayun. So, if you love books, so basically, this is your place, no? Tulad this one. This one is, they're selling this one for 10,000 Vietnamese dong. Tapos mga ganito, mga Spider-Man stuff. Oh, so yan. It's 179 Vietnamese dong. 179,000 Vietnamese dong. Tapos, they also have here unique chain. Stickers that you can put on your notebooks, luggage, and then laptops. So how much is this one? It's 36,000 Vietnamese dong. Not bad, not bad. So yun. Tapos, when you go here, there's a lot of books then dito, both for domestic and international. Tapos yan din, they have books all over the place. So yan. Tapos mayroon din dito sa Book Street na exclusive lang sa mga nagtitake ng med. So they have domestic at saka international book intended for medicine students. Katulad nito. Ganyan lang. Pa-picture ka ng ganyan. Picture ka na ng ganyan. Ayan. So, so also they have here para mga novel price na mga books like this one. It's 100,000 Vietnamese dong. This Obama. Diba? No, not bad. If you are into books, no? If you're a book fanatic, this is your place. Now, hindi lang po books ang nakikita dito. Hindi lang books, hindi lang coloring pad, hindi lang mga unique postcards, stickers ang nabibili dito. Have here actual painting. You're just going to give your photo and then they're going to paint that photo for you. Tapos papadala nila after 24 hours. So that's how they do it. Ang ganito. So it's 35,000 Vietnamese dong per postcards. If you want it in color, colorful na painting, so you need to pay for extra. So kapag black and white, it's 35,000 Vietnamese. Tapos alam mo bago tong place na, this one. this is a place for children. So yeah. So ngayon nainitan na tayo. We're going to take and grab some coffee. So they have here Book City, Phong They call it Book City Phong So it's a cafe, book cafe, no? Wherein you can buy a coffee and then basically read yung mga available books dito sa cafe na to. So hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo. I'll go inside na lang and then I'll show you around. Borrow books here while grabbing some coffee and then enjoy the the chill ambience here sa Book Street. And that's the thing. Tapos yan, may mga shop-out din sila dito. Tapos mga kiddie stuff. So yun lang. That's what to expect here sa Book Street. And dahil nainitan na tayo, I'll grab some coffee here sa Dong Sak Ho Chi Minh Cafe. Tingnan na lang natin. Or siguro dito na lang tayo sa Deep Cafe. Deep Cafe na lang. Here. Ayan. Deep Cafe. So, here, yung kanina na sinasabi ko sa inyo, kunwari, grab ka lang ganito, tapos, punta ka rito sa place na to. Kumbaga yung ano niya, on the other side. Dito, this place. Kung nandito pa to tapos, ganito yung shot mo. So, ganyan. Parang stolen shot lang. Tapos, kuno, nagtitingin-tingin ka, pero hindi nila alam, pang Instagram na pala yung gagawin mong photoshoot. Dito na tayo sa cafe. So, hold on. Dito na lang tayo mag-enter. Masigip na. So, order tayo ng drinks natin.
Quick stop at TP Bank to withdraw some cash before our last tour today here in Ho Chi Minh. Sayang I didn't film coffee at the Book Street. Di namin napansin yung oras. And our last agenda for today is medyo malayo.
Please receive money at the checkout area. Thank you.
On our way now, riding a Grab. Ho Chi Minh traffic is pretty intense. Parang Manila vibes. Busy streets, lots of motorbikes but okay lang. Kasi very special naman yung pupuntahan natin today.
Hello guys and good evening from Ho Chi Minh. So right now we are on our way to Saigon Port because we're going to avail our dinner buffet cruise doon. So doon yung parang claiming area. So ang call time will be 6:30. So we are near na doon sa Saigon Port. So we booked this tour package via Klook. So if you're planning to visit Ho Chi Minh soon, then try looking for good deals in Klook. So yun. Tapos they're also available in Agoda and Trip.com. Okay?
First time really enjoying the night lights of Ho Chi Minh. Ang ganda, nakaka-emotional knowing I can continue touring my parents. And I'm just praying for their good health always.
Finally, we are here na sa Port Saigon. So this will be our cruise. So i-claim na lang natin siguro natin dito yung stop natin for this dinner buffet, no? So it's very beautiful. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano mga dapat nyo i-expect dito sa cruise na to.
Now we're heading inside the cruise. Finally, super excited kasi this is the highlight of our night here in Ho Chi Minh. So let's go! Inside the dinner buffet cruise, ang ganda ng setup ng tables, very organized and classy. This cruise is sail along the Saigon River with city lights, live music, and a mix of Vietnamese and international dishes. That is why I'm looking forward to the food. Look at these talented performers. 3 young women dancing a traditional Vietnamese dance. Ang ganda at ang saya nila.
Here's this steam spotted baby snail, lemon leaves, and then this one is steamed clams, lemongrass. No? So when you go here, you will see the sauteed squid with green pepper and grilled snails in hot sauce. Then on this side, you'll see a grilled oyster scallops. No? This side you'll see the vegetarian tofu with Sichuan sauce, and then on this side will be the stir-fried rice noodles. French fries, you have a vinegar salad. Then here will be your customized tom yum, no? So you have a lot of options here. Then also for pho, no? So this will be your pho, no? Tapos you have here fried fish cake and then crispy fried chicken, right? When you go on this side, you'll see the fried sticky rice, right? And then you have also a shrimp wrapped in sugarcane, spring roll in seafood, and then also the steamed shrimps with Thai style. Each will be your beef citronella, roasted chicken, okay, grilled chicken with chilsa, soft team noodle and a shrimp wrapped in sugarcane, okay. Then also you have kanape. You also have the fresh spring rolls and shrimp. No? You have lotus salad and shrimp, beef salad, Sichuan style, then also a salad with vinegar. Then also you have here stuffed pancake with pork, and then crispy pancake with coconut milk, and then your vegetable. Side you'll see the steamed tofu with sauce, Sichuan style, sauteed mushroom with vegetable, stir-fried squash, buds, garlic, and then steamed legume caramelized fish sauce. You have your typical fried rice with vegetable and Wang Xiao fried rice.
Now we're listening to a Vietnamese singer performing an iconic song. Ang ganda ng boses niya really captures the vibe of Ho Chi Minh. Check out these Vietnamese dancers, ang sexy na move nila. Most men are nasa harap, obviously enjoying the show. Pero ang saya ng energy dito ah.
Let's do it. And now I need you. Just let me.
Now it's the last performer and guess what? Kababayan natin ito. Singing the iconic dancing queen. While she's performing, some foreigner ay nasa harap, sumasayaw at ang saya ng vibe. Proud moment talaga to see a Filipino here in Ho Chi Minh. That's a wrap for our second night in Ho Chi Minh. We're heading back to the docking area now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi ka updated sa mga recent trips ko. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, at mag-comment down below. Also, check out my TikTok vlogs, short but very informative content lahat nandoon. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more travel adventure. So that's all for today guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.